in view of that, now the Bibles are ready. Then I will ask now the presiding bishop retired to come. He will lead us on this.
We will go one by one. That this bishop should be ready. Ngede should be ready. Kitonga should be ready. Kotut should be ready. Kirui should be ready. Kijure should be ready to help us as we go. Let's go to where they are. Let us not bring them here. The first Bible is for Jennifer. It will be taken by Mulwa, his pastor. Jennifer alikuwa na Bishop Mulwa all the time. Whoever will take that Bible for Jennifer, we will appreciate. Ngoja kidogo, tuende pole pole. Mtu wa pili ni Raymond. We'll take to Raymond, mimi na Bishop Tonga na Ngede. Sisi wawili watatu wazee.
Next is Bible to mke wa Jonathan, itapeanwa na Askofu Kotut. Okay. Tutauliza Bishop Kishure atapeana kwa John Mark. The wife is there. Please, can you kindly stand and receive? And then we will ask Bishop Kirui. Bishop Kirui, you give it to June. Mrs. Diego, please, can you come? You also give to Doris. Doris, please, can you stand? Philip, kindly can you stand? Bishop Kimenjik will give you the Bible. Kimenjik. Thank you. I think that one is going to. Don't you? It's finished. It's finished. Thank you. We really appreciate. Can we appreciate